Introducing the Red Bull Racing e-scooter RS1200 AT, a cutting-edge electric scooter that has successfully navigated the regulatory landscape to become a production model in the European Union. Boasting a potent combination of performance and appearance, this e-scooter is set to redefine urban commuting and recreational riding. The RS1200 AT is equipped with a powerful rear 500 watts motor, providing riders with a top speed of 25 km per hour. Its impressive 960 watt-hours battery ensures a substantial range of 60 km on a single charge, making it a reliable companion for daily commutes or leisurely rides through the city. The scooter's compliance with EU regulations opens up avenues for its use in various countries within the Eurozone, with Austria being among the approved territories. Developed with a focus on both functionality and comfort, the RS1200 AT features dual suspension, comprising a telescopic fork at the front and rear shock absorbers. This, combined with the 13-inch pneumatic tires, guarantees a smooth and enjoyable ride even on uneven surfaces. The scooter's capability to navigate gradients up to 33 degrees adds versatility to its appeal. Safety is paramount, and the RS1200 AT doesn't disappoint in this regard. The e-scooter comes equipped with front and rear disc brakes, ensuring efficient and reliable stopping power. The magnesium alloy frame not only contributes to the scooter's durability, but also helps maintain a reasonable weight of 41 kilograms. Despite its lightweight appearance, the RS1200 AT can accommodate riders weighing up to 100 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Portability is a key feature, and the RS1200 AT addresses this with its foldable appearance, reducing its height to half of its original dimension when folded. This makes it convenient for storage and transportation, enhancing its practicality in urban environments. The scooter's user interface is centered around a 3.96-inch LED display positioned between the handlebars. This display provides essential ride statistics and battery status, keeping riders informed about their journey. LED front and rear lights, reflectors, indicators, and a horn further contribute to the overall safety and visibility of the scooter, especially during nighttime rides. The Red Bull e-scooter RS1200 has not only generated excitement for its innovative appearance and performance features, but has also caught the attention of potential riders with its attractive pricing strategy. Currently available at €2,599, the RS1200 comes with a notable discount from its original price of €2,999. This pricing move positions the electric scooter as a compelling option for those seeking an affordable yet high-performance commuting solution. The decision to offer the RS1200 at a reduced price underscores Red Bull's commitment to making electric scooters more accessible to a wider audience. By providing a substantial discount, the company aims to entice riders into the realm of eco-friendly transportation without compromising on quality or features. While the RS1200 AT may not be approved for use on public roads in certain EU countries like Germany and Switzerland, its acceptance in Austria and other Eurozone nations positions it as a compelling choice for riders seeking an exhilarating and efficient means of transportation. With its blend of performance, safety features, and portability, the Red Bull Racing e-scooter RS1200 AT is set to make a mark in the burgeoning electric scooter market. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.